So NCIS Season 23 Episode 19 brings the series back to form with a gripping emotionally charged episode that leans into nostalgia while delivering a satisfying sense of justice. After a couple of shaky episodes, this one reminds us why exactly the show still works. The story kicks off with the trial of the man responsible for Van's death, Wayne Rogers, and from the start it feels like he might actually walk free. That tension hangs over the entire episode, creating a sense of frustration that mirrors what the team is feeling. What makes things even more intense is the task given to NCIS. They have to protect the very man who killed their former boss. It's the kind of assignment no one wants, but it perfectly highlights the team's commitment to justice over personal revenge. Parker stands out throughout the episode. He is the only one who truly understands how dangerous Rogers is, and it's frustrating to watch others dismiss his concern. He knows that this isn't a man who would just sit back and hope for the best. He's always playing a bigger game. That instinct proves right. Rogers has clearly set something in motion, and the gag order surrounding the trial only adds to the tension. But Parker finds a clever workaround in a moment that's both shocking and calculated, punching the prosecutor to force a reaction. It's a bold move, and you can see the exact moment he realizes what he needs to do. That action leads to an unexpected but meaningful moment when his sister shows up to bail him out. It adds a personal layer to the episode, giving us insight into Parker's life beyond the badge. Their relationship shows growth, especially as trust begins to rebuild between them. At the same time, Parker is dealing with more than just the case. There is emotional weight tied to the anniversary of his father's death alongside the grief of losing Vance. That combination gives his character more depth and makes his decision feel even more grounded. Meanwhile, the situation escalates quickly. A hacker exposes the locations of federal safe houses, putting Rogers directly in danger. With no other option, NCIS must step in to protect him. But while the team focuses on keeping him alive, it becomes increasingly clear that they may be underestimating him. This is someone who ran a secret arms trafficking operation for years. The idea that he wouldn't have backup plans or people willing to help him escape feels like a major oversight. And sure enough, things start to unravel in a way that isn't entirely surprising, even if it's still engaging to watch. Despite some predictable elements, the episode delivers where it matters most, its ending. Just when it seems like Rogers might actually get away with everything, the story takes a sharp turn. Maggie reveals that Rogers has been killed, taken out by a sniper from an almost impossible distance. And in that moment, everything clicks. The moment, the precision, the timing, it all points to one person, Gibbs. The episode had already planted that seed earlier, reminding us of Gibbs' unwavering sense of justice. And this final act feels like a powerful callback to who he is. He may no longer be part of the team, but he hasn't stopped protecting the people he cares about. It's a quiet but impactful reminder that some lines once crossed can't be undone. The ending not only delivers justice but also brings a sense of legacy. It feels like Gibbs was always one step ahead, ensuring that Rogers would face consequences just not in courtroom. While some may have preferred a more direct appearance or a farewell moment for Vance, this approach works in its own way. It leans into the mythology of the character and gives longtime fans something satisfying to hold on to. Overall, this episode combines tension, character moment, and a strong emotional payoff. It corrects recent missteps and proves that even after all these years, NCIS can still deliver a story that hits hard. Thank you for watching. Bye.